They say a true Rassolnik is where you can taste the bitterness of the pickle juice. Блин, I say cut that middleman. Give me the juice straight up and serve the soup on the side. That's right, today we're finally making Рассольник. He's boring! The name Рассольник comes from the word Рассол, meaning pickle juice, which is definitely the star ingredient in this Slavic mystery juice. And definitely not these cubes of salt and fat. Oh, I remember eating so many of these. I think mama still thinks we had rats all these years. Рассольник is based on beef stock, but you can substitute with bouillon cube if your end of month also starts on the 1st. And now, in random order of importance, for extra kick and to symbolize Boris Егиге Ван Полка in last video. Perfectly. 2 onions of questionable freshness that I find in the bottom of refrigerator, a few potatoes, and the cheapest piece of car you can find. This is 200 grams of rump steak, which is 1/3 of the required amount, but this we compensate with bouillon cube. Some juice from the finest pickles in the land, some sour cream on top to serve, to be replaced with mayonnaise if your name starts with Borislav Superstar. Don't forget the pickles themselves, brown pebbles, sometimes called old spice, some leaves from the bay, and for that signature peasant vibe, pearl groats. If you've heard of pearl barley before, this is like its alcoholic out-of-town cousin. Whoop, almost forgot the carrots. A healthy cornerstone of every Slavic soup. Not sure what happened to these, they look like genetically demodified. We start by making the beef stock. By far the most time-consuming step, so it is best to do it when time stands still at midnight. Also gives you the perfect opportunity to avoid your neighbors complaining about the overwhelming smell of boiling beef in the building. Cover the beef with cold water, which should not be difficult in this case, as we are using the slimmest steak known to mankind. Take it to boil 1 hour, medium temperature, skimming the foam as it appears. You see the low boiling temperature makes for a clearer stock and stops the foam mixing back into the water and guarantees better flavor, which in these trying times is a must. About half hour in, it's time to introduce the groats, which you can boil in different pot or just it's your food, nobody's looking, do what you like. Electricity bill not pay themselves, блин. A small mix and cook for another hour. Another half hour has passed, and it's time to start thinking about the vegetables. Grate the carrot, slice the onion, the bigger piece the better. Cut the leeks, and it is done. This mix goes on the pan, and the sliced potatoes go in the pot. But this recipe is just like solyanka, where you could just throw everything in one pot and hope for the best. Boil for 2 hours, see what happens. Actually, nothing will happen, you'll be perfect. Slice the pickle and leave them to wait their turn. Let the oil rain from the heavens. 5 minutes of heat should be fine. Once you get bored of looking at the boiling meat, which should be at exactly 2 hours, set it aside and introduce the vegetables. Insert the underground yellow circular fruit and add water until the counter reads 2 liters. If you should not have potted red liter sign, consider practicing saying I'm sure it's fine. As long as ingredients are floating around in soup, you are on the right track. Cut meat into pieces, fry piece on pan so the beef look a bit more tangy in the soup. Insert 2 of these flavor blocks for additional essence of cow, the pickle, and then everything else. Now this is the essential part of any рассольник. If face not curl up like eating whole lemon, you clearly have not enough pickle juice. Do not fear the juice, it's good for you. And to anybody thinking of adding tomato paste to рассольник, блять, I will find you. I come to your house and I report you to highest authority in Slavic food. And that is Boris. Soup ready, 1 potato ready. And do not be surprised if you have 3-4 bowls at the same time and the smell brings on a strong Soviet nostalgia. Goes well with a nice fresh copy of Roast at Midnight by Boris B. Blinkov, because that is what I ate almost every day that I wrote the book. Mayonnaise, sour cream, it goes with both. We're all friends here, so black pretty if you have it. I was unfortunately not able to find room in my budget for some this month, but I do believe better times are still to come. Send a super thanks or join on Patreon to keep more videos coming. Recipe suggestions now open in the comments. Good luck, stitching bricky.